Yesterday, Sarah and I made some brioche dough, which has been able to cold proof in the refrigerator overnight. Today, we will make some delicious cinnamon rolls. We're gonna use about half of this dough, and then we will put it to use with something else. And here we go. We'll pull this portion out and use the rest for something else. I'm gonna dust our work surface and set it right here. Look how gorgeous it looks. And you can see little teeny specks of orange zest in there, which you can omit if you don't like the orange zest. We will also dust the top. And we're gonna be able to roll it out. Oh, it smells so good too. With the other ingredients on the table, we're gonna make a wonderful filling to go inside our cinnamon rolls. We're gonna roll it out into a rough rectangular shape. And then fill it with our incredible goodies. Let's turn this around a minute. Now that it's rolled out, we're gonna place the butter on there and brush it generously on here. All over. Some of it I will also use to brush the pan where the cinnamon rolls will go in. This is definitely a very indulgent dough, and not one that you will eat every day for breakfast, that's for sure. All right, now we're going to mix the dark brown sugar with the cinnamon, as well as a bit of salt, and this will go right on top here. Now, we're generously going to put it on here and evenly spread it out as well as we can. So we're going to go as close to the edge as possible. Oh, if you could only smell this aroma of the cinnamon and the brown sugar. Is absolutely amazing. And now we're going to begin to roll it up nice and evenly and tight. And there we go. Look at this beauty. Now we're going to bring this pan in and brush it with butter as well. All over. Now we're going to sprinkle the rest of the sugar into the bottom. And then we are ready to divide and cut the cinnamon rolls. Now here we have some floss. So let's kind of measure about halfway. So this I'm going to split in half. And now I kind of know where the half point is right here. All right. I'm going to start from right in the center here. And cut it just like so. Now, each one of these we're going to cut into 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3. All right. And this is nice to do it this way because it doesn't squish the dough down. It kind of leaves it intact. Sometimes when you go down with the knife, it will squish it. Instead, this leaves them quite nicely intact. just get each one of these and place them without crowding them too much. There. We decided to kind of tuck this piece under, and so they stay more intact. Let's do the same thing with this one. There we go. Now we're gonna let them rise and then place them in the oven. Our cinnamon rolls have been able to rise, and now they are ready to go into the oven. We're gonna be using the Fontana Gusto, which is a dual chamber oven, and the fire chamber is below and the cooking chamber is above. Our cinnamon rolls go in, and we will immediately close the door. While they are in the oven, we're gonna make a cream cheese frosting that will go on top. Here we have some vanilla. Here is the cream cheese that has been at room temperature. And now we're going to sift the powdered sugar so we don't get big hard pieces in there. We're almost done here. And now we're gonna mix everything in, and this will go on our hot cinnamon rolls. So it took just a little bit of work, but it's coming together nicely. And once it's gonna get on those hot cinnamon rolls, ooh, it's gonna spread beautifully. You can see now how it's becoming nice and smooth, and all the little lumps are completely gone. Do you want to peek inside real quick? Look at them. They rose wonderfully, but now they have to finish baking. I believe they are ready. Look at there. And here they are. And here we go. Look at this. We're gonna spread it on all of them. And they are going to be finger licking good. The best time has come, and we are going to get to taste one of these. So let's see here. Oh wow, look at this. We're going to set it on this plate. As you can see, some of the caramel from underneath has come with it, and that's delicious as well. And now we're just simply going to put one of these little Johnny jump up on there, maybe another one. Let's see what the inside looks like. Oh, it's so nice and soft. Look at these layers. Actually, I'm going to tell you buon appetito right now.